So hey guys, this is the entire touring setup on the new 390 Adventure 2025 version, and you can see it's completely loaded up. These guys are not going for any tour etc. It is just that they have loaded up the entire bike and just taken this out for a short ride. They just come for like 60-70 kilometers ride one side, and just wanted to check how the comfort levels are with the setup, with the entire setup. How does the bike feels actually? So I just want to give you a quick walkthrough of what's there on the bike. What are the things which are actually set up to make this tourer friendly. So if you are someone who's interested about knowing all this information, just watch out this video. So right from the front, what you see here, you have the tank bag, which is from the Rynox. This is the navigator tank bag. This is something which I have been using on my previous version of the 390 Adventure, that is 2020 version. And so you have this navigator tank bag here. You can see how it is mounted, and it is actually comfortable for the rider as well when he's sitting on the motorcycle. Then here you have the crash bar bags. This is from the Rhino Walk, and I think not most of the people are aware of this tank bags. If you are aware, then it's very good, but this is something which I've come across very recently. This is something which has been explored by my brother, and they look very, very amazing. It's very rugged looking, and this is how it is mounted on the Auto Engineer crash bars. Okay, from the front, he has done some little bit of a decal changes what's on the motorcycle. That is just for the aesthetic one. You have the Scout X from the Mad Dog. This is something which has been installed on the crash bars only. You can see how it is mounted. This is how it is looking from the other side, and this is how the Auto Engineer crash bar looks without the bag. I just asked him to remove the bag so that you can see how the crash bars are. Okay, and also you have the engine guard as well, so this comes as a combined unit, but these are actually a split ones. It's not actually a one unit what you see here. So this is how you have the protection for the engine. All right, the most important thing are these seats. Okay, because what you see from the KTM, the stock, they are not tourer friendly. All right, so that's why it's completely changed, and this is something which is got done from the RAW seats, Bangalore. So the comfort has turned twofold. It is offering much better comfort for the pillion as well as for the rider. You can see it is more wider now. It is more onto the rear. Then you have these top box rack, and this is the top box from the GV. So he had it on his Dominar and is continuing now with the 390 Adventure. So the top box, this is amazing top box what you get, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks. All right. Saddles is something which is yet to be installed, so he has ordered it from the Auto Engineer only. So he's going to get the saddle stays in a week's time or something. So that is something which will be installed. So more or less, if you are someone who wants to tour, you need a tank bag, you need a top box, you need the saddle stays, you need a good comfortable seat. Plus, if you really want to have on your motorcycle, then crash bars are something you need to have. You need to have the fog lamps to make it more easier for you when you are riding in the dark, so that you have the additional light available and making it more safer for you to ride in the dark. So, and also he's got this one, the foot peg extender. So this is also from the Auto Engineer, and this is how it looks. So it makes your bike more inclined, and especially when you are riding or you want to park it in a soft soil or soft surface kind of a situation, then probably that's going to really help you out. Other than that, not major modifications what you see from the touring perspective. If you are someone interested, so these are the things what you can modify on the 390 Adventure, and this is how the bike will look after you make the changes. Alright, so that was the setup what you see on the new 390 Adventure, with all the accessories being added and the luggage being mounted onto the motorcycle, and that's how it looks, especially if you are looking from the touring perspective. Yes, there are a couple of few modifications which are still pending, like your the knuckle guards are yet to be replaced, the saddle stays yet to be fitted onto it, but otherwise, if in case you want to tour, these are the couple of important accessories, as I said, to be added onto the motorcycle, which makes your life easier, especially when you want to go for long touring. For a lot of skepticism among a lot of buyers that can this tour, because if you compare it to the outgoing model, this has become more sleeker, the seat has become more narrower, the tank has become more trimmed, etc. So that actually compromises on the touring bit of it. But then again, that was something which was also playing on my brother's mind when he was about to go ahead and purchase this motorcycle. But then we went ahead and we did some tweaking, especially for the seat. And as you can see, the seat is more wider now, and it can accommodate for the rider and as well as the pillion, and it is offering a very good comfort now. They have tested it for almost 100 or 150 kilometers so far, and the feedback has really been amazing so far. So this motorcycle, you can do off-road, you can do city commuting, and this you can do long touring. Yes, for long touring you need to do a small tweaks is what is essential. So that was the video what I wanted to make and share it with you guys, and I hope it gives you a fair idea, it gives you a good overview of how the motorcycle looks, how it appears with all these things, all these changes being done onto the motorcycle. And do comment what are your thoughts on these changes to the motorcycle. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me, you can comment, and I would be happy to respond to you guys. Also, you can connect with me on my Instagram page. It's Raj_travel films, and I will be happy to assist you whatever possible from my side. See you again in the next video. A lot of such content will be coming up on this channel, and if you have any particular topic which you want me to cover and make a video on that one, please put that in the comment section. I will try my best to come up with a video on that one as well. Thanks for watching this video. Live life, keep traveling, follow your passion. Signing off, Raj. Jai Hind.